There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this 2020 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray in Arctic White. With HID headlamps, electronic stability control, 19-inch aluminum wheels, performance front brakes, rear body color one-piece spoiler, LED tail lamps, heated and ventilated front seats, steering wheel mounted paddle shifters, only 88 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, blind spot monitoring, 6.2-liter V8 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number GM6000.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.